welcome back, and now it's part 4 of the rainy thunderstorm. How long is it gonna be?
It's gonna be 77-minute rain.
We're still entering the yellow.
Did you see that one? You record it and keep it up in the sky.
We're entering the yellow still. And
there.
this is how entering the yellow feels like.
Okay, guys. After this, since it's 77-minute rain, I cannot record that many.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to cut it from.
Record the car. Record the car. Quick.
This is a sad car, all lonely and all wet.
Yeah.
One life, one prayer that car survives.
And that car, at least the car's getting a free car wash.
Yeah.
But zapped by lightning
And then he's dead.
because electricity and water combined is something you don't want to be in. Like if you're swimming in a swimming pool and it gets struck by lightning,
No.
you'll die.
Yeah. Look at that. That's really coming down now, huh? What is it saying?
Ah.
Can you record that one?
Yeah. I'm catching every bit of it.
Oh my gosh, another car. Another poor sad car.
Where?
People who park their cars out here are very unlucky.
Another poor, sad, lonely car. I know I did. Okay.
Keep it in the sky.
Okay. Well, bye guys. I'll have to stop it from here because I'm past my 2 minutes of recording time.